Hello, people, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deep Roy Chaudhary, and I'm just a normal guy who talks about stuff that seems interesting and important to me. And today I'm going to talk about the future of cloud gaming. Yeah, why not talk about that for a minute, for a minute, or for some minutes, I guess. So basically, cloud gaming. What is cloud gaming or cloud computing in general? Cloud again. I'm not a computer expert. I'm not a software expert. I'm not an expert in technology. I'm just giving you my layman's understanding of what cloud computing and cloud gaming specifically is, and whether that is the future of the future of computing and future of gaming in general. So, cloud computing is basically performing tasks on a computer that you control remotely. Basically, you rent a computer, or basically you pay a cloud computing service for access to a highly sophisticated or a truly high powered computer for performing certain tasks that you would do that you would do on a high powered computer. So instead of buying a truly powerful rig yourself and maintaining it yourself, you basically rent a truly powerful rig from a cloud computing service, and yeah, basically you use their their powerful rig, their highly high powered computer, for doing some specific set of tasks. Yeah, so basically you are renting a computer by through your internet connection, or basically using a computer through an internet connection for a specific set of tasks. So instead of owning a computer of yourself, you are basically remotely controlling a truly powerful computer through your internet connection by paying a cloud computing service. Now, in cloud gaming, this basically applies for playing video games. Instead of owning a truly, owning a proper desktop for gaming purposes, instead you choose to rent, or yeah, basically not rent. You basically pay a monthly subscription fee, or maybe an annual subscription fee for get for having the access to a truly powerful gaming rig for the sake of playing the video games that you like. Of course, for that you would need an internet connection for accessing that powerful gaming rig, and even after you access that powerful gaming rig, I'm pretty sure that you would have to buy the games yourself. You would not get many games for free, even if you pay a certain amount of money per month for these cloud gaming services. So yeah, cloud gaming, is it the future? Are you going to ditch owning are you going to ditch bu- uh, are you going to get rid, or okay, let me say it again. What would you choose? Buy a powerful gaming rig of your own, a gaming powerful gaming desktop, or a gaming laptop, or a PlayStation, or an Xbox of your own, or basically have access to a powerful gaming rig for maybe 6 or 7 hours every day by paying a monthly subscription fee, or an yearly annual subscription fee, whatever it is that you would prefer. My preference, I would go for this cloud gaming service. I was pretty impressed by Google Stadia. Of course, a lot of people would say that Google Stadia has not performed to the expectations that they had from the beginning. But for a lot of average people out there, I'm not a pro gamer. I'm not a proper, I don't even game a lot. But I'm saying that if I had to play a game, and if I had the choice between buying or shelling out a huge amount of money for playing video games on a powerful rig of my own, and playing video games through a proper, through a truly powerful or truly awesome internet connection, and using that internet connection to have access to a powerful gaming rig online, I can play games on my smartphone. I can play powerful games or graphics intensive games on my smartphone, on my smart TV, whatever it is, whatever device that I would have. So it, the for me, cloud gaming is the clear winner. Of course, the cloud gaming services that are available today are not perfect. They have their flaws. Google Stadia has its flaws. But I'm pretty sure that the other cloud gaming services, Vortex and PlayStation, Sony also has its own cloud gaming service. So I'm pretty sure that they all have their own set of flaws. But if you ask me, I still believe, even after all the flaws that these cloud, even despite all the flaws that these various cloud gaming services have, I still believe that cloud gaming is the future. And it just seems, it just is a very, it is, cloud gaming is a very seamless way of playing games. You don't have to own a powerful gaming rig. You just pay a monthly subscription or an annual subscription, whatever it is, and then you can have access to a powerful gaming rig. You can play video games on your smartphone, on your smart TV, as long as you have a proper internet connection and as long as that cloud gaming service is available in your country. Of course, Google Stadia is not available in each and every country around the world, but they are working on that. So if you ask me, I am still pretty confident about the fact that Google Stadia and these various cloud gaming services are the future of gaming in general. I don't have to own a powerful rig, and with the onset of 5G, 5G, one day 5G will be available in each and every country around the world. And when that day comes, I think most people would prefer opting for a cloud gaming service instead of a gaming rig. That's just my preference. If you disagree with me, you can give your feedback in the comment section. Please consider liking this video. Please consider sharing this video with your friends and acquaintances, and please consider subscribing to my channel. That would help me a lot. This is it from me for now. I might talk about cloud gaming in the next video again. Until the next video, stay safe. Goodbye, and God bless you.